Hi there, it's the great and glorious, soon to be famous one day, Nick Dutch, back on the camera yet again, or in this particular case, back on the microphone. And I just wanted to give you a quick talk today about magic. Ooh, scary. Okay, let's just think about the word and think about what it means in terms of practice and not in terms of theory. When Aleister Crowley wrote his Theory and Practice of Magic, he spoke of being a magician is somehow becoming someone who will have contact with or will learn to have contact with beings and entities which are hitherto uninvestigated by profane research. Does it actually mean that these entities or these beings really exist? No. Does it mean to say that the Archangel Gabriel really exists or the demon Floros actually exists? No, it doesn't. What it means to say is that it seemed to him, and the key word here is seemed to him, that these beings and entities and angels and archangels and all the company of heaven, the gods of ancient Egypt and Satan himself, seemed to exist to him. This is one of the problems that many people have when they're looking at the occult, getting involved in the occult, and they're getting involved in the thing called magic. Because when they're trying to get involved in magic, what they end up getting involved with is a quasi-Freemasonry type religion with strange supernatural beliefs associated with them. Think about the words that Crowley used to try and define magic, the science and art of causing change to occur in conformity with the will, okay? Very much left-brain words, science, art, all these things are to do with thought, contemplation, the application of skill. And then he goes on to talk about contacting beings and energies which are hitherto unresearched by, scientists. What's going on there? Is there a massive disconnect between those two words? Yeah. You see, it doesn't matter how heavily you analyze any form of supernatural phenomena. You cannot prove under any circumstances the existence of any god, any goddess, any angel, any archangel, any demon, any spirit, or any ghost. It's not possible under any circumstances to prove these things. Because, of course, philosophy is the tool that we have to try and understand how the world is put together and what's really real, okay? It's the forerunner of science, and it's also the way in which we assemble our understanding of the way that the natural world works. So it's important. So maybe we could say that a goal, so to speak, of becoming a magician is not to be able to control the occult forces, but to realize that there never were any occult forces to be controlled in the first place. We have to consider these things. We have to think about whether it's worthwhile continuing investigating the occult from the point of view of someone who's investigating ghosts, angels, demons, or spirits. To the most part, when you get involved with magic or witchcraft, you aren't getting involved with something which teaches you the methodologies of science. You're not getting involved with something which teaches you about artistic creativity. What you're getting involved with is a religion, yet another religion, possibly as good or as bad as the one that you left when you chose to become a magician. Just something to think about today. Good fortune, God and all goddess, and on none of the above. Blessed, Nick Dutch, signing out.